ኖት ሳፖዝ ቱ ቢ ኖት ሳፖዝ ቱ ቢ። ይህን ስንጠቀም ደግሞ we are not supposed to go early ማለት በጊዜ መሄድ አያስፈልገንም። we are okay. when we say we are not supposed to go early, that means በጊዜ ሄድን በጊዜ ባንሄድም አስፈላጊ አይደለም። we are okay. Mostly we are using not supposed to be something is happened without our expectation or against our expectation. Okay, let's see. For example, not allowed. You are not supposed to park here. That is against the rule. Okay? Not expected. You are not supposed to be here. Wow, what are you doing here? You are not supposed to be here. That person was not expected, or it is a surprise, unfulfilled expectation. ይሄ ደግሞ ምንድነው? አንድ ነገር ልናደርገው አስበን ሳይሳካልን ወይ ሳይሆንልን ሲቀር እሱንም not supposed to be እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። For example, we were not supposed to be late, but the bus broke down. ይህ ምንድነው? እኛ ያሰብነው በሰዓቱ ባሱን ይዘን ስንሄድ early ለመድረስ ወይም on time whenever we supposed to go, but the bus broke down, so without our choice we are going to be late. ያ ደግሞ ምንድነው? ያሰብነው ነገር ያቀድነው ነገር ሳይሳካ ሲቀር እንጠቀማለን not supposed to be. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're done for today. Thank you for watching. Until I see you with another exciting lesson, have a nice day. See you soon.